painted all these. There's particles are flying in the air, but hopefully we're not gonna get any more fuzz. Looks solid and beautiful. Can't wait to put them on. Here's what I got. I cleaned the blade for the next air fan and also tried cleaning this screen face. It's the best we can do for now. I had to sand the white part on this because it got all deep dirt. Yeah, I think these are ready to be put, but we have to clean inside of the fan. Inside in the van is super dirty. Let's have it to dry. I had to bleach it and rinse it. Hopefully the water didn't get to the metal part so it doesn't rust, but fingers crossed. And I'm gonna do one more brushing on this and ready to go.
Okay, this part's ready to be sanded. I will sand this and the rest of the seats.
She went to her spot. And
Oh, Sadie, look at that pretty girl. You gotta. Oh, this is like a cat house.
yeah, it is.
It's like designed for cats.
So many like
They
holes
love
and
this. Yeah,
everywhere. I wonder if she's gonna be able to get into the bungee area.
like a giant cat jungle. This is so fun. This is so exciting. Are you so happy?
Gonna go get bleach.
I'm so happy. Oh.
So Max Air fan clean. It's the best we can do with this accessible condition. It's close to brand new. I need to touch up on these buttons because of hard usage. The skin, the graphics are peeling, so I'm gonna fix that. Can I put this on here? Like one piece here and one on the opposite side. Just like this for a visual, because there's a gap showing.
Yeah, I guess. Is it gonna interfere with being able to get this in and out?
No, it should be fine.
Okay.
Oh,
Well, there's gonna be the cushion.
oh yeah,
Like, when it's sitting up, it's gonna
cover it up.
probably
Okay.
be about that thick.
Yeah, we don't need that actually.
Yeah.
I forget about cushion.
Yeah. I couldn't forget about the cushion. That's all I can think about. So, look what we've done so far. We've gotten all the faces on the cabinets.
Yeah. We still have to put their gas strut and the latches.
Yeah, still need gas jet and latches. And we're still trying to decide if we want to put the handles on these or not. Because they can be opened without the handles. But we're wondering if they would look better with them. I'm not,
Yeah, I mean you can open this too.
not quite sure yet.
Hold on, let me bring a handle.
We're going to paint these, put them on, then do some sealing around it. We think that'll look better. The seat is pretty much done. This is the function. When we sit on it, we can move this. Oops. We can move this out to have more space. And then the back can be opened. And we're gonna put hinges on it, I guess.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah, we're gonna put hinges on it. And these are some extra like USB or something. These little things, extra things here, charging, whatever. And I'm gonna put like a sleeve here so we can add our laptop or computer screen there. It's like a secret hiding spot. Shh, don't tell anyone. Yeah, we're gonna get a cushion. Not get one, but we'll probably make one. I just have to find the perfect fabric first, and I will make a cushion to go on here. When it's not in use, we can just like set it up here so it'll still be aesthetic, I hope. It's already looking so good. Look at that view, it's so beautiful. My goodness. Yeah.
Just testing.
Oh, we can kind of like that.
Then it might be a nice tying element to
Yeah.
white and black.
I don't know. It's like it's so hard to decide because they both look
Good.
good in different ways. It's so hard to decide when it's like that. What else have we done? I've just done a lot of painting. Painted the back. Okay. I've painted the back here, so hopefully it'll be easier to keep it clean. And under here, and Nuri cleaned the fan. It looks amazing, like brand new. We can breathe easy. Now I'm tasked with staining all these woods. Nuri's gonna turn it into the base of our shower. It's really coming together, folks.
Hey.
We're making a rack for our jars to hold all of our dry goods.
Yeah.
The rack, we have our cabinets taped closed because we are driving and we don't have the latches in yet to keep them closed. We're gonna put the rack up here. Hopefully it still looks okay. Jars are gonna sit in like wine bottles and we're gonna be able to pull them out to use them. Hopefully. If all goes according to plan.
So, as a quick example of the jars, it's gonna sit in.
It's gonna sit in like so.
Yeah. Well, it might be either straight or a little bit of an angle. And something like that.
Like that. Yep. So Nuri has this giant circular. What is this called?
drill bit.
Drill bit. Okay, giant drill bit. Whole thing.
Yep. And
It's $23 in case anyone wants to know.
it hurts.
Yeah, we bought it just to make these holes, so it's kind of pricey for what it is, but it's gonna be worth it.
Yeah, it will.
And I'm on painting duty once again. I'm painting the corners that are gonna go in the kitchen where the subway tile meets the wood wall. I think that's gonna make it look so much nicer. This little piece is gonna be like a filling. It's gonna fill in a space between the sink and the cabinet underneath it. And Nuri had to once again cut some of the cabinetry to make it fit and look okay. So I'm just painting the edge that he cut off. And I finished staining all these beauties last night. This is what Nuri's gonna make the shower floor with, the removable shower floor. And so he's gonna put that together, then we're gonna polyurethane it. We got some satin polyurethane as opposed to high gloss, which is what we use on the countertop. So we're hoping it won't be super glossy like before, but still waterproof and protecting the wood.
Alright.
Time to cut.
So I made the template.
Made a template here.
Yeah. Hopefully it works, we'll see. See, looks like it's working. Right, we got the sandpaper.
Yeah. Yep.
Alright. So
I'm the sander, so I get to do that.
Bernie Sanders.
Bernie Sanders. I'm Bernie Sanders. I'll take it.
I'm using.
And this was our old table, and we're using it as a workbench because we're gonna make a new table that's not quite as long and not quite as heavy. And it's right here. Speak of the devil.
Devil.
And
Devil.
so it's about the same thickness. Yeah, it's about the same thickness. But it's gonna be shorter and it's not gonna have the 2 thick pieces of wood underneath that one has. So hopefully it'll be a lot easier to install it and uninstall it.
The reason we chose pine is instead of plywood, pine is stainable and
Stainable?
like stain.
Okay, not sustainable.
No.
Okay, you can stain it and it looks good, which is what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put our satin polyurethane on it, and maybe that'll look better. This one we use the high gloss. I'm just not a big fan of the high gloss. I like the more natural wood look, like this. But of course we want to protect it and we want to make sure it's easy to be cleaned. So the rack is going to stick out pretty far because it has to in order to hold the jars. But that's the base of it.
I may not use this piece, but we'll see.
Okay. This will be the front. Is it gonna be up here?
No.
Oh.
It's gonna be this high. So
Oh, okay.
look like that.
Alright.
We'll have the jars like that, or
Okay. And they shouldn't be falling out when we drive, because the things in it will weight it down, and the hole is small enough to where it's going to keep the rest of the jar from moving. But of course we will not know until we try it.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't work, we will make adjustments to make it work.
That's how it will be.
Okay.
Beauty.
That's that.
And I might put small pieces in between. Not these, but let's try these.
To keep them from moving, because they will.
Like jars they may be okay shortening the back a little bit, even like this, because you don't need all the space, right? Like I was gonna make it that deep, but you might make
I mean, as short as we can make it. The smallest and shortest is best.
That might be even better.
Okay. Good.
Yeah. I like it. Like it like that. I like it like that.
Hey, you cut your hands.
Yeah, it's a little
That's
bit.
bad.
Yeah, it is bad, but it is what it is.
I need to disinfect it.
It's okay.
No, it's not.
I've seen worse. That's not a bad place.
You had your tetanus shot, right? When you got your head thing? Okay. You're probably fine then.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Or he slashed his head open on a spring. A spring, shot out and sliced his head. And he had to get stitches, and he got his tetanus shot, so he should be good. That was just a few years ago, so. He was up in an attic like that. He was at the very top, and the spring of the door came loose and just grazed his curly little head.
Curly little head.
Curly little head.
I was almost gone from this.
It could have been so much worse.
Yeah, I mean, I could have died. Can you squish that piece together and align it?
That?
Yeah, align it just trying to prototype this.
Yeah, we're trying to make it as small as possible.
Because we don't want to block the window, kitchen window.
Yeah, it's just, it's best to take as little space as possible. Okay, I got the rack all stained. Nuri Bear is...
I'm not a bear, I'm a wolf.
Oh, Nuri Wolf is on drawer duty. Still having issues.
Yep.
I'm having some drawer issues. These little beads keep coming out.
Well, I was trying to perfect it. So then It did not get perfect.
It didn't get perfected. Thanks for being awesome. You're welcome.
What is that?
It just says thanks for being awesome on the ground. The floor is thinking that's for being awesome.
I was like, am I awesome? I mean, of course I am.
Well,
But...
of course you are. Someone's finally acknowledging it. Thanks, floor. All right, looking good, looking good.